Hi, I'm Dr. Gav Schneider. Many of you know me as a well-acknowledged leading risk expert. I've written a book on situational awareness, vigilance and resilience, and I've spoken to thousands of people about how we can perform effectively in challenging and stressful environments. I'm sure you'll all agree, globally at the moment, we certainly are living in challenging and stressful times. One of the questions I'm often asked is, what do we do to make sure we can come out of this better than the way we went into it? This is an important point to raise. The first thing we have to do is make sure that we can effectively manage our own physical health, mental well-being, and performance during this challenging period. While many of us might get ill, we will also recover, and we have to trust our government authorities to apply the most effective health-based solutions that they can. For you as an individual, what I would like to urge you to do is take this gift you might be given, whether that is social distancing, staying at home, lockdown, whatever definition you apply to it, and introspect a little bit. Try and use this as a chance to grow. Think about how you can come out of this better than the way you went into it. Look at online training. Look at how you plan and prepare. For those of you who are business leaders, take the time now to roll out online-based education and group initiatives that will enable your staff to come out of this better and enable you to pick up where you left off in a state that might have even been better than before we had to put in place all these response measures. Please take care, stay well, and feel free to reach out to myself or any of our team if any of the things we're doing can help you through this challenging time.